I'm happy to announce that we have Phoenix formula in capsules. This is a goal here at Lost Empire Herbs. Eventually, we do want to make all of our herbs available in capsules just to meet people where they're at. There are very good reasons to be tasting the herbs. It helps clue your body into knowing what to do with the thing in the first place. But, we got to meet people with where they're at. And something like Phoenix formula, as you can kind of tell just from looking at the color of it right here, it tastes a bit like dirt. Shilajit, the mineral pitch that is used in this formula, actually is a mineral resin that comes out of the Himalayan mountains. We also have the black ant insects in there, so not the best tasting thing, I will admit to that. So now we do have this available in capsules, which not only help mitigate the taste, but also can be quite a bit more convenient to take, not having to mix this in water or anything like that. So we have that available. If you're new to Phoenix formula, this is the original formula we put together at Lost Empire Herbs. It's a combination of 4 different herbs: the pine pollen, shilajit, black ant, and ho shu wu. And we combine these 4. The purpose of this formula is really to kind of rejuvenate your body at a deep core level and to provide that deep nourishment that most people are lacking in our Western society because they're not getting anything like the power of these herbs that are available. In Chinese medicine, this is in the 3 treasure system. It's really focused on that Jing essence. Shilajit being both yin and yang, the pine pollen being a lot more yang, and the ho shu wu being a lot more yin. So that combination there really nourishes that deep foundational energy, which has to do with your constitution and your aging and your DNA and helping protect all of that. On top of this, we have the ant, which is known as one of the best qi tonics in Chinese medicine. So most people, when they take ant, they can actually feel like usable energy right away. So while Phoenix formula is helping to nourish that Jing essence, it's giving you this qi that you can then use to go about your day. Whether you're using this for a pre-workout or a post-workout, a lot of people like to do that because they feel the energy before, but it's also helping with recovery. People use it to help assist with sexual function. People use it just to start their day off with so they have energy, or if you're having that afternoon slump, taking this, something like that could be very helpful in those moments. So let's talk a little bit about dosage on this. We are never going to get rid of our powdered formulas because this is cheaper to do and better value in doing that. And like I said, there's reasons to taste the herbs. So we still have the 100-gram bag available. We just now also have it in capsules. Because it takes much more of a process and machinery and everything to put this in capsules, you are going to get a better value with the bag here. And you can even go ahead and capsule this yourself if you like, but we do save you the trouble. So our dosage on here, we do recommend quite a range, from 1 teaspoon a day up to 2 tablespoons a day. And that's 2 grams up to 12 grams. And that is quite variable. And that's the thing. With something like Phoenix, you might be able to, just with 1 teaspoon, more of like a maintenance thing that's just helping you out. But if you really want to feel the power of it, doing something like 2 tablespoons a day, many people are going to notice that. Of course, you are then going to go through a bag quite quickly. Now, with the capsules here, keeping it a bunch simpler, we just recommend 3 capsules a day right now. That's a good starting point. With a 90 capsule bottle, that's going to last you a month. However, recognize that those 3 capsules is equivalent to just 1 teaspoon. So you can definitely up the dosage of the Phoenix formula and start taking a lot more of this. It's going to be a lot of capsules. If you want to get in that 2 tablespoon range, that's going to end up being 18 capsules. So you'd want to spread this throughout the day. You don't necessarily want to take that all at once. And of course, you'll be going through a bottle quite quickly then. But once again, you have to find the right dosage for you, what you're going for, and what is going to help you best. These are some potent herbs, and the combination of them together seems to do some great things for people. That's why Phoenix formula is one of our most important formulas, one of our most popular formulas, because it is doing so much in the body. You get 4 of these top herbs out there, and combined together, they really do work wonders. If you're not watching this at Lost Empire Herbs, head on over there. A lot more information about Phoenix formula, specific mechanisms around how it's working, the science behind some of these herbs, ideas around all the different effects that it can give you. That's over at lostempireherbs.com. Thanks for watching.